Hey guys, Sean from Console Service Center. As you can see on the screen with this HDMI port, you can see how this company that's worked on it before has mesh solder all over here. You can see these big solder blobs. The board, part of the motherboard itself is lifting there. So what they've done is, I don't know, they drilled holes into the main board. So let me just tell you quickly what console this is. It's a PS5 console. You can see in the corner right down at the bottom here how the green of the motherboard is lifted in the corner here. This is how the guys are doing gaming repairs out there. So let's flip the board around quickly to zoom back out. Just get you guys back in focus. Sorry, I'm just trying to focus a microscope. Yeah, you can actually see all the solder that's been meshed here. These big solder blobs aren't supposed to be there. There's a bit more solder. Now let's flip the board around. And that's what it looks like on the other side. So let's just get that back into view for you guys. So again, solder all over the show, and that's not supposed to be there. That's not supposed to look like that. It's definitely not back to factory again. It's a very bad job. So I'm going to zoom back into the board here because I want you guys to see how these guys have damaged the board, the main board, and I'm hoping we're going to be able to fix this console. Luckily that's only where the legs go through, so there is a good chance. So I'm just trying to battle to get it clear for you guys. But that copper sticking out next to the soldering there is part of the green of the board, like this copper on the sides here. That's like popping up. So it looks like what they've done is they've tried to drill holes through to fit this HDMI port, which is not even a PS5 HDMI port. I don't know where this port comes from. But yeah, this is why we keep warning everybody, be careful where you take your repairs. So maybe this guy's going to charge you 300 Rand to fix your HDMI port with some port. I don't know where he found this port. And it's going to end up costing you now 3,000 Rand to fix the board, because traces probably have to rebuild on the back here. We don't even know how bad the traces are. There's caps missing. There's, as you can see on the, let me just try and focus you guys back up here again. Okay, so there you can see one little cap. There's one little cap there. There should be another cap here. You can see that trace has been damaged all the way to where the cap's supposed to be. So I don't know how we're going to divide that. We're going to have to see if we can make a plan there. The traces do look fine, but we'll only know once we got it off. But this is very bad. It's probably one of the worst I've ever seen. And this is on a 15,000 Rand console. So if you're willing to sacrifice your 15,000 Rand console and take it to somebody that does work like this, good luck. You must have a lot of money to buy a new one. So I thought I'd just share that for you guys today. Hope you enjoyed that. And remember to share this video and bring your consoles to Console Service Center so we can do the job for you professionally. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.